Imagine a world where computers defy the boundaries of logic, where tiny machines work miracles, where energy is harnessed at the blink of an eye, where intelligence goes beyond human comprehension, where reality is redefined, and where science fiction becomes our everyday reality. Welcome to another episode of 5 emerging technologies that are destined to change our world forever. Buckle up, because the future is about to become your present reality. Our penultimate stop is a game changer in the world of electricity: room temperature superconductivity. Superconductors are materials that can carry electricity with zero resistance, but traditionally, they required extremely cold temperatures to work their magic. Enter room temperature superconductors, a scientific marvel that can maintain this miraculous state even at temperatures we experience every day. Imagine a world where electricity flows without any loss, where power transmission becomes incredibly efficient. With room temperature superconductivity, this dream is inching closer to reality. Power lines that crisscross continents and cities can transmit electricity with minimal waste, revolutionizing the way we deliver and use energy. One of the most significant applications is in power transmission. Currently, we lose a substantial amount of electricity during electricity transmission due to resistance in the wires. But with room temperature superconductors, we can drastically reduce these losses, making our electrical grids more efficient and sustainable. Recent breakthroughs in material science have brought us closer to achieving this feat. Scientists have discovered new materials that exhibit superconducting properties at a higher temperature, a critical step towards practical applications. These discoveries are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of electricity. Fusion, the same process that powers the sun, holds the promise of providing limitless clean energy. Unlike current nuclear fission reactors, which generate nuclear waste and carry certain safety risks, fusion reactors produce minimal waste and are intrinsically safe. It's a dream energy source that has eluded us for years, but we're getting closer to making it a reality. Fusion research facilities and innovative companies like General Fusion and Lockheed Martin are at the forefront of this groundbreaking technology. They are working tirelessly to create controlled nuclear fusion reactors that can power our world. The concept of nuclear fusion is simple, yet awe-inspiring. It involves fusing light atomic nuclei, typically isotopes and hydrogens, to release an enormous amount of energy. This process replicates the power of the sun right here on Earth. Imagine a world where we say goodbye to fossil fuels, where our energy needs are met by a clean and virtually limitless resource. It's a future that holds the promise of not only addressing our energy demands, but also mitigating climate change. The potential benefits are immeasurable, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to achieving energy security. In today's digital age, trust is a precious commodity. Digital trust is essentially the confidence that users place in an organization to create a secure digital environment where transactions and interactions can occur safely, securely, and seamlessly. Digital trust is the foundation upon which our online world operates. It's what enables us to make online purchases, share personal information, and conduct business transactions without constant fear of fraud or data breaches. In essence, it's the assurance that our digital experiences are protected and reliable. Many experts, including myself, believe that blockchain and distributed ledger technology are set to play a central role in raising digital trust to new heights. These technologies introduce a level of transparency, security, and immutability that was previously unimaginable. Blockchain, in particular, has gained prominence as a decentralized and tamper-resistant ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered, providing a high degree of trust in the authenticity of information. However, it's important to note that while blockchain and distributed ledger technology hold immense promise, there's still a lot of work to be done before they can be accessible to all types of organizations. Implementation and integration can be complex, and not all businesses are equipped to navigate this landscape independently. For many businesses, the answer may lie in collaboration with many new innovators and entrepreneurs who are making significant strides in the blockchain space. These experts can provide the necessary guidance and expertise to harness the power of blockchain technology effectively. Now, let's shift our focus to another transformative technology trend: 3D printing. 3D printing has come a long way from its humble beginnings. Today, the materials used for 3D printing are incredibly diverse, ranging from plastics and metals to powders, concrete, liquid, and even edible substances like chocolate. The possibilities are virtually limitless. One of the most astonishing applications of 3D printing is its potential to revolutionize manufacturing. It allows manufacturers to create objects that would be challenging or impossible to produce using traditional methods. This includes complex geometries, highly customized and personalized products, and even entire houses. Furthermore, 3D printing has the power to streamline the manufacturing process, reduce waste, and lower production costs. It's a game changer for industries ranging from aerospace to healthcare, where precision and customization are paramount. Gene editing represents a remarkable breakthrough in genetics. It allows scientists to make precise alterations to an organism's DNA, offering unprecedented control over an organism's genetic makeup. This technology becomes particularly significant when dealing with problematic genes that can threaten the health of an organism or its future generations. Imagine identifying a harmful genetic trait and then, thanks to gene editing tools, being able to correct or modify it. In theory, this opens up new possibilities in the fight against diseases, not only in humans, but also in animals and crops. Genetic diseases that were once considered incurable could potentially be treated or even prevented. For example, gene editing could be used to eliminate genetic mutations responsible for inherited disorders, thereby improving the quality of life for affected individuals. In agriculture, crops could be engineered to resist pests or thrive in adverse conditions, addressing food security concerns. Synthetic biology takes genetic manipulation to another level. While gene editing typically involves making small alterations to an organism's DNA, synthetic biology deals with constructing entirely new genetic sequences. This process can entail stitching together long strands of DNA and inserting them into an organism, thereby reprogramming it to exhibit different behaviors or acquire entirely new abilities. From a business perspective, synthetic biology and gene editing have the potential to disrupt traditional production processes. Imagine the creation of exciting new products like cultured meat, which is grown from animal cells without the need for raising and slaughtering livestock. It's a prime example of how these technologies can transform industries. Synthetic biology allows us to engineer microorganisms to produce variable compounds such as biofuels, pharmaceuticals, and specialty chemicals in more sustainable and efficient ways. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also offers cost-effective alternatives to traditional manufacturing. So that's it. From the transformative potential of room temperature superconductivity to the boundless clean energy offered by nuclear fusion, and from the digital trust that underpins our online interactions to the power of gene editing and synthetic biology, the future is bursting with possibilities. So keep your eyes on the horizon, because a world of innovation and opportunity awaits. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's clear that the human spirit of exploration knows no bounds.